So we're going to be looking at basic experimental and theoretical probability. Remember that theoretical probability is what you were expecting, and experimental probability are the results from the given experiment. So the example was, if we flip a fair coin 10 times, we're going to expect heads to land 5 times. But if the coin landed 7 times, we would establish theoretical probability is 5 over 10, or 1/2, and the experimental probability is 7 over 10. And there would be more statistics that in another course to determine the likelihood that the coin is biased or not. For this first question, the top left, we have a 6-sided number cube. It was rolled 30 times. Here we have the little table here of numbers. What is the experimental probability of rolling a 4? Well, according to the table, it was rolled 5 times, so 5 out of 30. And in case the question wants you to simplify, we could divide the top and bottom both by 5, and that would get us the 1 over 6. On the next question, a jar contains 20 red marbles, 25 blue marbles, 10 green marbles, and 35 orange marbles. We want to find the probability of picking a blue marble. Well, probability is what we want, what we're looking for over what we could have. So we have 25 blue marbles, and we need to add up how many total numbers of marbles that are there. So 20 plus 25 plus 10 plus 35. And that would give us 25 over 90. And we can divide the top and bottom by 5 in case you want us to simplify this. And that would make it 5 over 18. The next question is, a fair coin is tossed 3 times in succession. And they give us all the possibilities in that table to the right. The theoretical probability of getting a 0 tails for 3 times would be 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2, which is 1 over 8. That's the theoretical probability. But we could also use the table there if we didn't know how to do that. The table would tell us the only one with no tails is this one right here, and there's 1 out of the total of the 8 possibilities. So the one below it, the table shows the possible outcomes of spinning the given spinner and tossing a fair coin. Find the probability of spinning a 1 and then tossing a tail. Well, we know from tossing a fair coin that it's going to be a 1 in 2 chance. And based on that picture there, there's 5 numbers. So the probability of getting a 1 is 1 in 5. So 1/2 times 1 over 5 is 1/10. But if for whatever reason we did not know how to do that, we would look at the table and see, okay, there's 1 and a tail, and then the rest of them don't match that, and there's 10 possibilities there. So the probability is going to be 1 over 10. And if you have any kind of questions, ask your math teacher.